Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to unbox the X96S. As you can see in the background we have the X96 Air and other small boxes that we unboxed before. And today we have this very small and portable X96S. You can see how small it is. Underneath the package we have here the USB, HDMI and USB port. We have the power brick, the cable, we have a micro SIM cable, we have here the pilot, very easy to use, not so many things to do in it, so it's very easy for us. Also we have the user manual and underneath all of this. As you can see in the user manual we have here all the details what we need to do to connect our X96S with the TV and all the cables that we have right here. So let's go ahead, connect it, see how it works, and we are going to go in details with this smart box. As you can see in the right side we have an SD card port, the micro USB to power it on, and as you can see right here we have the HDMI converter, so we connected with the TV. In the back as you can see we have a USB port 3.0 I think it is, and that's all that we got from this smart box. We have the connector here. As you can see it connects right in the top when we took out the cap. We have the HDMI now connected. This is the power brick that I said. It's micro USB. It makes sense, it's an Android, even though nowadays Android are using C-type mostly, but it's very easy to follow the rules in the user manual that we have. And as you can see we have now here the cable for the pilot. In this case you have to run this cable so the pilot can work or the controller can work with the smart box. So it's very easy to connect it. You can see how it looks. You can hide this behind the TV or behind the TV holder. It's very small and easy to hide. You just need the cable for the controller that we saw that we have in the box. As you can see now here in the settings we have network and internet. We can connect here with our Wi-Fi. Next we have account. We can add an account from Google. We have apps. As you can see we don't have any apps, too much apps right now. We have some of the apps that are already installed and some of them we installed. Special apps right here, so you can see these are pretty much the settings that you have in the first steps that you take in the smart box. We have the system update here, reset if you want to reset the box. We have here status, as you can see in device performance we have about. Here you can read about the smart box. We have the version, the model, the build number, and all of the stuff that you need to know about your smart box. We have date and time right here. You can set up your date and time or you can do it automatically. We have here the language. As you can see we have plenty of languages. That is not a problem to use it in different states. We have keyboard and autofill like we have in the smartphones. You can see right here we have sound, Next we have storage. Here we can see all the storage that we have, from apps, photos and other stuff. Everything that you need to know about the storage is right here. We have the screensaver. Let's go back. We have the when to start, put device, and we have here the lock screen, or however you want to call it. Next we have location. You can see right here the location is off. You can turn it on in case you need so. We have security and restriction. As you can see right here, we have installed unknown apps. Let's go back. Next we have accessibilities. As you can see right here, you can customize your things, turn them on and off, and in them we have the reset button. As you can see right here, you can reset your device. Next we have the menu. Here you can see all the apps that we have, and this is one app that we use always, the ADA64. You can read about your device right here. As you can see, we have the system, the RAM, total memories, and all these things. Next we have the CPU. You can see the megahertz, you can see all the things about the CPU. We have display, the performance of GPU and display, all is right here. Next we have network, now we have battery, we have Android, download, thermal, sensors, apps, and all of these information we have here in this app. So we use this app particularly in all of our smart boxes because this app is perfect. We have all the options and informations that we need to know about our smart box we find in this app. So we use it to see what we have for the smart box, all the performance and all of these stuff. As you can see, we have our next app for performance. We can read right here as well. And also we installed Antutu. We are going to do a test like we do always. The Antutu test is part of our unbox. You can see here already we have the numbers, we have the result. We ran the test before, we have the result from previous tests, the battery and the CPU performance. These are pretty good comparing to the size of the box. We are used to see boxes very big like a regular box, but this one is pretty small, but it works perfectly. As you can see right here, we have a little test of colors for screen, and I think this smart box is very good for his own size. We have here, as I said, the number for the result. You can go ahead and search for it, read the rank about smart boxes. We have now here the Google Chrome. As you can see, it's working pretty good and pretty fast. It's very impressive. You saw how fast it opens, and you can see right here as well, the Instagram opens immediately. Next, we are here back in the menu. We have the diode settings. As you can see right here, we have the display. You can customize your display right here in case you want to shrink or to make wider screen. You can do it right here. As you can see, zoom in and zoom out. or you have more options for your screen, so in case you want to customize it or you need to customize it for your TV or monitor, you can do it right here without any problem. This is the power key. Next we have the picture. We have here options for picture. We have brightness, contrast and other stuff, DNR, and we have here other options to customize or display. So you can see right here in the menu we have plenty of options like we do in a normal Android. We have here files and file manager. As you can see, we have here all the files that we need to see, downloads. We have images, videos, and this smart box will open them without any problem. This is the KD player. Let's see what we got here in this app and how it will work. It's making some progress, and we have now here the app open. As you can see, this app has different channels starting from movies, TV show, music, radio, games, news, sports, you name it. In this app you will find it. It's very useful and it's very good. Actually, you can download more stuff like this or apps like this to see all your favorite TV shows without any problem. We already downloaded some apps like this that has TV shows. We are going to test some of them, but we can't test all of them. In the past we tested with sports and other stuff, but now the copyright will strike us if we turn on some sports. So we are going to show you some of the channels, but we can't play all of them. You can see we have movies right here, channels for movies. Next, let's try another app. We have now here this one, Mobtro. We have again same thing. As you can see, we have movies, sports, channels for news, we have music and all kinds of stuff, channels for children. We have Netflix, as you can see right here. I forgot to mention before, the Netflix works pretty good in these smart boxes. It's already downloaded from default, so you just have to sign in to work with it. We have Play Store in case we want to download all of these stuff, and we have the YouTube, not to forget to mention it. As you can see, it opens up immediately. All the videos works perfectly. Let's see now how the 4K videos will play in the X96S smart box. We always test our smart boxes with the 4K videos, and as you can see, it's going very smoothly. The quality is very good. The smart box handles this pretty good, and if you have better TV, newer TV, it will be better than this. But honestly, it's very good and very impressive. It doesn't lag, it goes very smoothly, and for now everything that we tried worked perfectly. So as you can see, the X96S is quite good. It works without any problem. Until now we didn't have any problem at all. Let's wait for someone to comment that use the smart box. If you know someone that use or you use it, comment down below, let me know how it works for you. Did you have any problem? Let's have a conversation about this smart box. Let's see how it worked for everyone. I hope you didn't have any problem. If you have, comment down below, let me know. I will try to help you in any case that I can. So in the next video we will test another smart box. We will show you how to reset it. We will unbox it. We will do a multiple series now with smart boxes. We just got supplied, so stay tuned for that. We will do quite a few videos in this month. So guys, this was all for today's video. Thank you very much for your time and support. Hit the like button, subscribe our channel. As I said, stay tuned. We will do quite a few videos with these kind of smart boxes.